In this Traders Academy lesson, we'll be discussing monitoring your account using IBKR Mobile on your iPhone. We'll cover viewing the account screen, portfolio, closing positions, and how you can configure notifications using the Trading Assistant. With IBKR Mobile, you can quickly monitor your account activity, including account balances, margin requirements, available funds, and market value details. To view your account information, tap the Account icon from the main menu. The account screen opens with balances displayed. Use the button bar at the top to switch between pages of your account information window. Account balances for securities, commodities, and in total. Tap the double arrows next to Total in the Balances line at the top of the screen to switch between showing total amounts for your account, amounts only in the securities segment of your account, and amounts only in the commodities segment of your account. Margins shows current initial, maintenance margin, and projected margin requirements. Funds shows you the state of your account, including available funds, buying power, and more. Market value shows a total value for all assets by currency, sorted by asset type, plus the account's net liquidation value, realized and unrealized P&L, and more. Values shown in the total in US dollars column reflect total value of your account in the account's base currency. Tap the double arrows next to Total to show values in that currency. Only currencies in which you hold positions will be available. Plus, tap More and select Account Management, where you can run reports, transfer funds and positions, set market data, and trade permissions. I'll tap Trade Reports and run an activity statement, and then view my mark-to-market performance summary. Just tap Done on the top left to go back to IBKR Mobile. With IBKR Mobile, you can view current positions along with key account metrics like daily P&L and market value. Tap the portfolio icon from the main menu. In the top section of the screen, you see your account, daily P&L, and net liquidation value, and below that you'll see margin information, unrealized and realized P&L for your account. Below that are a list of your positions. A daily P&L is your profit and loss for the day. If you swipe to the very bottom of the screen, you'll see My Daily P&L is using the Eastern Time Zone. You can tap the link below that to change your time zone in configuration. You can search for a specific position. Just tap the magnifying glass icon. For example, if I enter TSLA and tap Search, I can then view TSLA in my portfolio. If you tap the gear icon on the top right, you can turn on or off account data, enable FX portfolio, which includes currency positions in the list of positions, display closed positions or close all positions. Close all positions will open the order ticket and enable you to close 100% or a portion of all your positions in your portfolio. You can sort your positions by asset type, instrument, and unrealized P&L. Tap the blue box icon to manage the column headers and use the horizontal lines to the right to rearrange the columns. Tap Add Columns at the bottom to see more columns to choose from. For instance, I can tap Prices and add Change Since Open %. Now you'll see that the new column has been added to the portfolio screen. You can view your FYIs and bulletins by tapping the notification icon on the top right of the screen. Tap the gear icon to configure the FYI settings. For example, I can swipe up and turn on to be notified of option expiration. The Trading Assistant comprises a group of separately controlled notifications that can be set to proactively notify you when user-specified market, account, position, and order activities warrant. Tap the More icon and select Trading Assistant in the Monitor section. Notifications occur in real time and are sent via email or text, based on your notification settings in Account Management. The Trading Assistant status slider displays the on-off status of each notification. Let's take a look at the notification settings. Market notifications. Receive a notification if the daily price change % exceeds the bounds you define for a specific instrument. Tap Add Security Index and enter a symbol. SPX. Threshold boundaries can be set between -5 and 5%. Use the slider to change the boundaries. You can add multiple symbols by tapping the green plus icon. Account notifications. Receive an alert when the margin cushion or daily P&L exceeds your boundary or range. Position notification. Sends an alert if the percent change of any of your positions exceeds the user-specified boundaries. Trade notifications. Turn on to receive a notification about executions. You can also define your delivery method and specify your time zone. You can monitor news for instruments in your portfolio. Just tap More and then Portfolio News. Tap any news item to see the article display. Tap the arrows on the top right to scroll through news items. You can use iBot to monitor your account and portfolio. Just tap the iBot icon at the bottom of the screen. Here are some examples. Current short positions, available funds, buying power and margin. In this lesson, we showed you how to monitor account information, portfolio, view notifications, and set up the trading assistant with more monitoring criteria. At the end of this lesson, please take the quiz to test your knowledge and click the additional information button to view more useful links on this topic.